We hear about gratitude all the time, but what does it actually do inside your body? Gratitude rewires your brain for positivity. It's a real thing, and science proves it. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself based on what you focus on. When you practice gratitude, you strengthen the neural pathways that make joy and optimism your default state. Studies show that regularly practicing gratitude increases activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision making, emotional regulation, and yes, happiness. It also releases dopamine and serotonin, the feel good chemicals that elevate mood and reduce anxiety. Gratitude also lowers stress and boosts physical health. Your mind and body are deeply connected. What you think and what you feel affect one another. And when you focus on gratitude, your body releases less cortisol, the stress hormone, reducing anxiety, inflammation, and even blood pressure. People who practice gratitude sleep better because their nervous system is in a state of calm, not stress. Another wonderful thing is that gratitude strengthens your immune system because your body isn't in fight or flight mode. This isn't just mindset at work, it's biochemistry. Let's go a little bit deeper and talk about spirit, that essence within you. The spiritual power of gratitude works on an energetic level as well. It's a frequency. The more you appreciate things, the more you attract. Gratitude aligns you with divine flow. Instead of forcing life, you allow it. And here's something beautiful: gratitude activates miracles. Every spiritual tradition teaches that gratitude is the key for divine favor because it shifts your energy from lack to abundance. According to the law of attraction, what you focus on expands. So if you focus on problems, what are you going to get? If you focus on blessings, you're going to attract more blessings. When we are grateful for our circumstances, everything changes internally. It's not about everything being perfect. Life is not perfect. It is about gratitude opening the door for grace and alignment. It does make a difference in terms of how you feel about yourself and your day to day life. In ancient spiritual teachings, gratitude is seen as the bridge between the physical and the divine, a way to vibrate at the frequency of abundance, love, and peace. And yet, most people struggle with gratitude. Why? Because of a thing called negativity bias, the human default mode. You've heard me talk about this before. Basically, our brains are wired to focus on danger, on problems. It's a survival mechanism. There is good news. Like any muscle, gratitude can be trained and strengthened. Let's catch ourselves in the ways that we self sabotage when it comes to gratitude. Too many people will say, I'll be grateful when I have more money. I'll be grateful when I achieve my goals. I'll be grateful when I lose weight. I'll be grateful when, and when, and when, and that when doesn't happen. Here's the thing: gratitude isn't about waiting. It's about creating happiness. When we are grateful and we're releasing those happy hormones, we are changing our biochemistry, and that contributes to happiness. It has to be a daily practice. You can't just be wishy washy about it. Otherwise, it's not going to work. If you are not intentional about gratitude, your mind will default to stress, fear, and lack. It pains me to say that, but again, this is the way we have been wired. It's negativity bias, it's that flight or fight mode. Even though negativity bias is wired into our subconscious, we can fix it. And here are three gratitude practices that you can start doing today to transform your life. One, gratitude activation prayer. When full disclosure, I am not advocating for any religious prayer or any specific spiritual. What I am advocating for is what works for you, what is true to you. If you have a religion, maybe that's that prayer. If you believe in God, source, universe, maybe that's who you're going to pray to, but some type of prayer that is true and authentic to you. Before you get out of bed, you could say, thank you, God, source, universe, for this day. Thank you for the love, the lessons, and the opportunities that are already on their way to me. Or if that doesn't feel good to you, you can have a gratitude affirmation. Again, it has to be genuine to you. The most important thing is that you feel it in your heart. And this shifts your energy before your feet even touches the ground. Two, the perspective shift. Turn struggles into growth. When something challenges you, ask yourself, how is this shaping me into a stronger person, the person who I am meant to become? As an example, instead of saying, why is this happening to me? Instead, you can say, I trust that this is guiding me into something greater. Or you can say, let me see what I can glean and learn from this situation. It's about finding something within the situation that's beneficial to you. And when you find that benefit, it takes you from victim mode to alignment, to creator, to power. Three, the gratitude ripple effect. Every day, express appreciation to one person. For example, you could say, I see you. I appreciate you. Thank you for being in my life. Something, again, that is true and authentic to you and that relationship you have with that individual. This deepens relationships and attracts more love and connection to your life. Practicing gratitude is a spiritual law and a scientific hack. Your mind follows your focus. Your energy will follow your gratitude. Happiness isn't something you find, it's something you create. Miracles aren't just for special people, they are available to anyone who aligns with their higher spirit, their higher selves, and sees the miracle. You can see miracles everywhere, but you have to be open to it. Gratitude is the key. So, my challenge to you is drop one thing you're grateful for in the comments right now, and let's start a ripple effect. If this resonated with you, please like and share with somebody. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps us. Last thing, I have a couple of free ebooks that are my gift to you. You can find the links in the description below. If you'd like to book a one-on-one personal session with me, you can find the link in the description below. Remember, you are powerful, you are worthy, and gratitude, that's just the beginning of increasing your power even more. I'll see you in the next video. Make it a great day.